Back here at the Biotech Conference here in San Francisco, I'm Christine Corrado with Proactive Investors. Joining me right now is Lorenzo Pradella, CEO of Greenbone Ortho. Lorenzo, great to have you.
Thank you.
So you have the implant with you right here. Tell me a bit about it.
This is a new biomaterial that has unique properties to be recognized by the body as a real natural piece of bone, and is derived from wood that we cut and shape according with the bone that we want to regenerate. And then through our technology, we are able to completely change the chemistry of the material without losing the internal architecture of the initial natural wood. This allows to obtain the best combination of the right chemical composition, reproducing the composition of natural bone, the right architecture, and a very nice morphology inside that allow to be recognized by cell and enter the bone turnover, with the final goal to be completely resolved and give patients the real opportunity to return having their own natural bone after the big damage they have caused by trauma or cancer or any other reason.
So what kind of bones does this work for? Like what kind of, is it load bearing? What actually does it work for?
Well, this is designed to be a platform technology.
Okay.
So the goal for us is to develop targeting the vast majority of needs that orthopedic surgeons and traumatologists may face in their daily life. It means load-bearing long bones, so arms and legs, or non-loaded bone like the pelvis and even spine fusion.
So where are you at right now in the process of development? Have you fully developed the implant?
Oh yeah, we have completed the preclinical dev in compliance with European and US requirements. And indeed, we are ready to submit for the CE mark and the 510K to the FDA in the US. At the same time, we are starting 2 clinical studies in Europe, so 2 multinational clinical studies, one targeting large defect between 3 and 6 centimeter in load-bearing long bones, and the second study targeting 3-4 centimeter gap for the iliac crest reconstruction.
So what is the timeline right now to get you into the clinic in Europe for phase 1? Is that starting soon?
Yeah,
okay.
We will have the first patient in just a couple of 2-3 weeks from now.
Okay.
And the plan is expected to be completed by mid-2020.
Okay, and then in the US you're submitting to the FDA right now?
By March at the latest.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And I know you've raised a significant amount of money thus far, $13 million?
That's correct, because the company is active since the beginning of 2015. So since then we raised $13 million in 2 rounds. And now we plan to have another round of financing along 2020 when we will complete the clinical dev and we will be ready to introduce the product to the market.
So that 13 million is going to take you, it's enough capital to take you through both trials in the US and in
Yeah,
Europe.
it is, but of course along the way we are ready to meet and identify good partners and maybe big companies that would like to consider this product as a very nice opportunity to improve their pipeline in the orthopedic field.
Great to learn more about the implant. Thank you so much for sitting down with me today.
My pleasure. Thank you.